All right, gentlemen and ladies. So that screw, we're gonna use a blue Loctite on it, okay? Just a little bit. Like I said, just gonna medium strength as per the instructions. All right. So let me get the little screw. Put you right there so you can see what I'm doing. So like I said, a little blue Loctite. Just a little bit. We're gonna put her on. And this one's to holds the lever in place. Make sure you don't over torque it, just like instructions say, and it goes on like peas. That's what it looks like when it's done. See, all in there, all four. And now I'm just gonna put her in. Where did she go? There she is. Oh, damn. There it goes. All right, all in there, all nice and tight. And she, uh-oh, I did something wrong, y'all. I don't know what I did wrong, but I did something wrong. Oh, I didn't put the cover on right. So, look, see, follow instructions. All right, hold on. Oh, this is what I forgot. You see this, y'all? I forgot this knuckle. Oh, hold on. I'm gonna put this knuckle back on. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. Give me a minute.